Hey friends, if you wish to fix 505 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the browser. So let's say you are using the Google Chrome browser. Click on these three dots here, select help, and then click on about Google Chrome. And this is similar for any browser, not just Chromium based browsers like Edge, any browser. The procedure is the same. And then you can clear the browser cache. I'll tell you how to do this. Click on these three dots here, select history once again, click on clear browsing data, change the time to all time, make sure that cache and cookies both are selected and then click on clear data. The next solution is to disable extensions. Now why? Because extensions, especially security extensions, can cause a lot of blacklisting of websites and thus all of these errors. So click on these three dots here, select extensions and click on manage extensions. Now turn off any problematic extensions, or if you do not know which extension is problematic, turn all of them off and then enable them one by one. And if you find the problematic one, simply remove it. The last solution is to change the browser. Now it simply means that if you're using Chrome right now, you can shift to Microsoft Edge. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.